What's up, fellas? It is well, I'd say it's a beautiful Saturday morning, but it's working on it. It's working on getting there. We're on our way to the Bikes, Burgers, and Brews charity fundraising bike show in Bartlett, Tennessee, raising money for St. Jude's Hospital. There's a bike show there. There's going to be, I'm sure there'll be vendors and stuff there, exciting people. So, well, that's where I'm headed. I'm going to be meeting a few friends up there. Some of you will know them from the Discord. Chris Living Large is going to be there. I'm not sure if anybody else will be there, but we'll be there. So I'll see you there. Heck that is. Funeral. Gotcha. Is it bad luck to pass the casket? I wouldn't think it is. I mean, you're still paying your respects, right? Boy, he's dead slow. Oh, sorry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the worst road merge in Memphis, maybe the America. Okay, it's not as bad as Atlanta or Birmingham. Not as bad as a couple other places. Maybe fifth worst. But apparently not on a Saturday morning. It's the new Winnebago. Not sure if I'm a fan or not. Looks cool. What always gets me about these exits like this is you get off and there's no blockages. Everybody was just slowing down for no reason. We'll see if I'm right. I'm not sure what about these turnoffs make people nervous, but it does. Okay, well, now we're wide open. Not only was it 2 lanes that went into 3 to open up the traffic, but there's no traffic. I'm not exactly sure what was slowing these people down. Oh, and the sun's out now. Didn't even notice. Let's get ahead of this guy just because. Oh, this bike loves being on wide open highway. We are almost there. I'm excited. Are you excited? Alright, so it's not that I'm bad with the directions. This thing isn't very well marked, so I totally missed it. I came from the right direction to go straight there and missed it. So apparently it's where that motorcycle is hanging out over there from the other direction. Hey! Hey, this is Randy Ryder and Chris Living Large. We're at the Bikes, Brews, and Beers fundraiser for St. Jude's Children's. If you're in the Memphis area, come on out. We're on Stagecoach Road. It's not hard to find. Just look for a big motorcycle with blue balloons tied to it. Come on down.
I want it back. Take so much money. As a matter of fact, matter of fact, take so much money, and I want it back.
Hey, this is Randy Ryder. I'm here with DARRYL, a retired Navy guy just like me, and this is his slingshot.
No. This is my slingshot. He's the chauffeur. Thought I make that.
Go ahead and do the interview.
So
with
tell us
her.
all about it.
She's retired as well.
I'm retired as well.
Hey, this is Randy Ryder. I'm with My Journey of Beer and Chris Living Large. We're at the Bikes, Brews, and Beards. Bikes, Brews, and Beers? Charity fundraiser for St. Jude's. Free beer, free food, as long as it lasts. Good cause, raising money for St. Jude's. So come on out if you can.
Hey guys, I'm with Trippet Insurance. My name's Deloma, and we're hosting our second annual bike show out here. Just come out and enjoy the bikes and some free food and drinks. We'd love to see you guys, and if you need any insurance, give us a call. We're at 6462 Stage Road.
All right, so yeah, we're at the Bikes, Beer, and Brews, Bikes, Burgers, and Beers. We're having a good time. So yeah, we're out on Stage Road, right off of Witten. We'll be here, I think, until 2 o'clock.
Yes.
We'll be here till 2 o'clock, so come on out.
Yep.
All right.
About time you want to damn Toby. How many shows you put in? Like 20? You finally got
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, that goes in.
Hey, Deloma.
It's a bike I bought new in 06, and I sold it to a guy. He got into drugs, tore it apart and everything. He sold it to somebody else, and they tore it apart. And then this man here, Rod Williford, ended up with it. And he built the engine, put cams in it, and had it painted. And so we started putting it together, and I bought it back from him, and turned out to be a pretty cool bike.
Yes, it did.
Blast to ride too.
I bet it is.
Here, I'll crank it up.
All right. So what do you got here?
2020 Moto Guzzi B7 Racer 10th Anniversary Edition. Number 0 of 125.
Nice.
What are you doing, man? I'll tell you the history, real quick history. They made a bike similar to this in 2010. And they made quite a few of them. Now, people want them again, so Moto Guzzi decided to give another model run for them. Well, what they did was they took this motorcycle, not one like it, but this motorcycle, worked out all the bugs, did all the machining and all they needed, and built this bike. They built this one. And then after they got everything all dialed in, they made 125 more to go worldwide. This is the prototype.
Jeez.
This is bike. All the bikes are numbered from 1 through 125 on the steering head right here. Mine's number 0.
There you go.
Right there. That's number 0. That's the prototype.
That's impressive. Oh shit.
And I just got lucky. 'Cause I was looking for one, and I was told by the goosey dealers there aren't any. And I kept looking, because I was looking late in the season. I figured everybody's telling me they're all gone, never come.